Hello boys and girls, welcome to our writing lesson today. It is Wednesday and yesterday we started by creating our writing folders. So you should have your writing folder with you for this lesson. Go ahead and pause the video and pull it out if it is not with you. Now that you have your writing folder, yesterday we created our heart map under the narrative section, and we are going to start learning how to write narrative stories. So yesterday you should have filled this out with illustrations and examples of things that you know a lot about and could write a story about. So today we are going to write a story about me. So hopefully you know a lot about yourself and can fill in a lot of information about you to make a story. So from our heart map, we're going to pick the topic me. So if you drew an illustration of you and picked me, go ahead and point to that now. Good. So you can put your heart map to the side and pull out your writer's notebook, whatever you use for your writing. We're going to open up to a new page. Once you're open to that new page, I want you to go ahead and create your 4 boxes. Try to do them as neatly and as even as you can do them. And we're going to change it up a little bit. We've just been doing a title, a sentence, and an illustration, but now we are going to do all sentences. So our title is going to be me, because this story is all about you. So me. Now, in each box, you are going to tell me something about you. Now, I know that you could probably tell me that you're a boy or girl or how old you are, but I want you to tell me something unique about you, something I might not know about you. So, I am going to put something about me. So I might start with, I like to hike outside. Now, remember when we're creating our sentences that we start with a capital letter and we end with a period. We also need to make sure that our words have white spaces in between them. And when I'm writing a sentence, if I get to the end of a line, I come back down and start over and go in the same direction I would if I was reading. So now I want you to think of another thing about you. So I said, I like to hike outside. Then I'm going to tell you that I enjoy spending time. Remember, when I run out of room, I start a new line with my family. And I don't think I can fit it there, so I'm going to go ahead and write it here. Now, I did start with a capital letter, but what am I missing from this sentence? I am missing a period. Be sure to add my period. I am also spacing my words with white spaces. Okay? I need to think of one more thing that I want to tell you guys. So I'm going to think, and I'm going to tell you something you might not know about me. My middle name is Caitlin. That's something you might not know about me just from looking at me. So again, I started with a capital letter, I ended my sentence with a period, and I have white spaces in between all my words. Now, if you are struggling to write a sentence, that is okay. You can use details with illustrations. So this first sentence, I says, I like to hike outside. If you're having trouble getting details in your sentences, you can write a picture. Or draw a picture, excuse me. So I might draw some mountains to show the detail of hiking outside. And I might draw me down here at the mountain about to hike it. Okay? But I do think that all of you are super writers, and so I want you to at least try to write a sentence. But if you're struggling to give me some detail, you can put an illustration to go with it. So your title goes in box 1. Box 2 is a sentence, box 3 is a sentence, and box 4 is a sentence. Remember, all of our sentences need to start with capital letters, have spaces in between our words, and end with a period. Add your illustrations for detail. I can't wait to learn all about you. See you tomorrow.